tell Grandma.
I give Ellie. I give Ellie. I want to tell Grandma.
You want a what?
Happy Valentine's.
What's that?
Happy Valentine's.
Well, Valentine's is over, but that's very sweet. Now, what were you saying, Abby, about Emily?
Ellie, my favorite play.
You want to play, Emily?
Yeah.
Where's Emily?
At glass house.
What? Okay, well, what does she look like?
Like lights.
She has lights? Okay. What color is she?
Green.
Okay. What does her funnel look like?
Wheels.
She has wheels?
Yeah.
What does her funnel look like?
Water.
She puts water in her funnel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Water on my funnel too.
Is she big or little?
Little.
She's a little train. Okay. She's a little green train.
On a big train. On a big dummy train. Choo choo choo. Choo choo choo.
You're goofy. So now you gotta look at the camera and say, Papa, please.